Kiro has an official ambassadors program that hands out free pro access, and it's one of the most straightforward free offers in the AI coding tool space right now. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for the official Kiro Ambassadors Program, explain the eligibility requirements, and walk you through the application process and available program benefits. No hacks, no fake promises, just a clear, honest, and step-by-step guide. Let's get started.
Polestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
So here you can see I already created one video about how to get Kiro free for 1 year, and this is a part 1 video. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch another part 2 videos, and I will upload soon next part. Offer by which you can get Kiro Premium in a completely free. One is Kiro for a startup, which is already we covered previous video, and this is the another video about how to get Kiro Premium in a free. Here you can see this is the ambassador plan. Just close this, and this is the home page. I'll give this link in this video description so you can read completely. Here you can shape the future of Kiro Ambassador to get early access opportunity and a Kiro free subscription. So simply we need to apply here. So before that we need to know few information. Here you can see what you get: Kiro subscription, early access opportunities, and Kiro subscription for a year. Here you can see a year. Early access opportunities, direct access to the Kiro team, and roadmap influence, and profile visibility, earn more credit. You can also earn more credit, and content collaboration, and these are options. Here you can see another apply button, and here you can see, is there a membership or application fee? No, all benefits are included in exchange of your contribution to the Kiro community product. So it means it's completely free, so you don't need to pay a single cent. Here you can see you can read these FAQs. And here you can see, is the program open for globally? Yes, you are welcome builder from all countries where Kiro is available. So now let's click on this apply now. This is the few details Kiro wants from us. So first I write a simple prompt. I'm applying for Kiro Ambassador Program to get early access opportunity or Kiro program, and I will give you few questions. So just write answer for me. Now let's fill this information. Name, simply type your name, and here you can see email. Use your Kiro account email. So you need to first create one Kiro account. So let's go to the Google, search Kiro. Simply go to kiro.dev, click on this sign in. Continue with Google. You can also use your GitHub or another services for authentication. Now we had successfully logged in our free account. So this is my email ID for Kiro free account. Paste your free Kiro account email ID. Here you can see country or region. We need to select country. Are you a member of the Kiro Discord? I will suggest you to join Discord. So you can know more offer about Kiro, or now they are asking for my Discord username. So you can also ignore this. No, then it asks for company name. Now let's type one company name, random. Here you can see job title. Simply type random CEO. Social profile icon. In this you can add your YouTube or LinkedIn or any social media account profile link. I will use my LinkedIn. I can also use my YouTube channel, so that will be also useful. Then GitHub profile link, you can, I hope you had already a GitHub account. So if you don't have a GitHub account, then simply create. It's completely free, you don't need to add your payment detail or anything. Let's add our GitHub profile link. Now here you can see Kiro user ID, optional. How to find, here you can see a guide, how you can find your Kiro ID. Simply go to kiro.dev, and here you can see user ID. Simply copy this. Now here you can see another option, how long you used Kiro. So I will suggest you, if you are new to the Kiro, so please type 1 or 2 month. Let's try with 3 month. Tell us about your Kiro experience. So I'm not here, type manually. Let's do ChatGPT. Here you can see this is the long answer, so let's write in a short. Now simply copy paste. You can also rewrite this according to you. Simply paste your own answer. I will suggest you to write manually for better chance to get approve your application. It's totally depend upon luck. So let's answer second have you question. And here you can see the ChatGPT answer. I'll suggest you to paste this on a social media or create content about Kiro, so you will get more chance to get improve your application. Here you can see the question is, share example of Kiro content you have been published for the community. Please provide link where possible. This could be open source project, blog, tutorial. So I will only add my YouTube channel. Actually, in my YouTube channel also there is no any Kiro content, but still I am adding my YouTube channel URL. So I'll suggest you to post at least 5 on your Twitter, on your LinkedIn, and here you can see share the way you currently engaging with developer communities. Let's paste another question to the ChatGPT. So after ChatGPT, simply paste here. So let's paste another question answer, and here you can see, how do you want out this program. Let's copy this question also and paste here, and this is the answer. Let me rewrite this. I think this answer is good, so let's direct copy paste. I don't need to customize this, and this is the last question, and this answer is also good, so I will just copy and paste. So this is the last question. Now let's click on this apply button. Here you can see submitting, and thank you for applying. We have received your application and we'll review it soon. We will be in touch if you are selected for the program. So now we need to wait few days or maybe a week, and if you had not received anything almost in a 2 week, then I'll suggest you to just go to Discord and contact to the support team, because here you can see in a second FAQ, how long does it take to hear back about my application. We will do our best to get back you quickly, but volume request may vary. If you have not heard back after a month, drop us a note in a Discord. So I'll suggest you to join their Discord channel and create few content about Kiro. You can simply copy paste, you don't need to create your own. You can create image by ChatGPT, So I'll suggest you to please join my YouTube channel, and for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.